whenever we go with these type of question, current year minus loss, when you do it, minus of minus, that becomes plus. Let me write a contribution formula for you here. Contribution is equal to S minus V. Contribution is equal to F plus P. Whenever 2 years sales and 2 years profit is given, they will not give us fixed cost, but we know that what is that we should do. Now you're not supposed to put minus of minus, because minus loss means this is what the loss they're asking us. So that's why it is only minus loss. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Abhilash Chandra from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to the 6th session. And before starting the session, if you have not subscribed the video, please do subscribe the channel. And if you have not liked it, please do like. And after the end of the session, if you feel that this is worth watching, then please do comment, and this is what will motivate us to do more videos for you students. So we will go with the 6th session of the second chapter, which is called marginal costing. Now here I have brought a very new problem, which is a model paper problem, as well as in many of the question paper they have asked these kind of problems. Now in this problem, what is the speciality? The first one here which we need to know is, now we have 2 years, sales is given, profit and loss, something new here. So what is here? 2016 we had 1 lakh rupees loss and 1 lakh rupees profit in the next year. So what has happened is, this is the present year and this is the previous year. So what exactly we are supposed to do? Now try to understand. We are supposed to calculate, the first one is PV ratio, second is margin of safety for 2017. See here they have not mentioned that you are supposed to calculate for 2 years. They have given you clearly saying that 2017 is what you are supposed to prepare. Now we have the next one is BEP, break even point, and then we have profit when sales are, and then sales required to earn. And the last one here they have given a twist saying that variable cost for 2017, variable cost for 2017. See, we can find variable cost even for 2016. I'm going to show you how is that we are supposed to go with. So this is what the question is. So we are supposed to start with the answer, but here when we calculate PV ratio, you should be very careful, right? So I'll show you here itself how PV ratio will be calculated. So the first one is A. We'll write PV is equal to, now what is the PV formula? When 2 years sales and 2 years the profit or the loss is given. So the formula remains the same, that is change in profit. Change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So we have the formula, that is change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So here what has happened is, we need to go with the current year and the previous year. According to this question, current year is 2017, previous year is 2016, and our function is whenever it is the change, it is always subtraction. We are supposed to subtract it. Here minus is what we are supposed to do. Usually what you people do is 1 lakh minus 1 lakh is 0, but that is not what you are supposed to do. I'll teach you how you are supposed to take it. See, the current year is what? 1 lakh. So we'll put PV is equal to 1 lakh minus, this is the function. But here what we have seen is, we have seen a loss in the sense it is represented with negative sign. So it is minus 1 lakh. How much is it? Minus 1 lakh. Now try to understand this. 1 lakh minus of minus 1 lakh divided by, now change in sales is what? You are supposed to go with current year minus the previous year. So it is 10 lakh minus 6 lakh into 100. Now you got to know why into 100, because PV is always represented with percentage. So here what we got is 1 lakh minus of minus is plus, so we have 1 lakh plus 1 lakh is 2 lakh is equal to 2 lakh divided by 10 lakh minus 6 lakh is how much? 4 lakh. 4 lakh into 100. So if you go with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, here done. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So here 100 divided by 2 is how much? It is 50. So is equal to 50%. So this is my PV. Now what is my PV? My PV is equal to 50%. So this is what the first one is done. I'll repeat this once again. Whenever you have loss and profit combination, understand in the university problem what they usually give us, the present year will be profit, the previous year will be loss, and the amount will be same. And what? The amount, both the amount will be same according to the university problem. And the thing here which we are supposed to understand is, whenever we go with these type of question, current year minus loss, when you do it, minus of minus, that becomes plus, positive. That is how you are supposed to go with. Next question is what? Margin of safety for 2017. Margin of safety for 2017. So we'll go with B. Margin of safety for 2017. So what is the margin of safety formula? MOS is equal to, so we'll write here MOS is equal to, now O, after O what will come? P. P means profit. Profit by PV. Profit by PV. This is what the formula is. Now here you are supposed to substitute. Profit is how much for 2017? 2017 profit is how much? 1 lakh. So I'll write here 1 lakh divided by 50%. So is equal to, this is what is MOS of 2017. So this is what your homework is. I want you people to actually calculate and message me the answer of MOS of 2017. Let's go with the next question here. That is, we have BEP and we are supposed to find what is that BEP is all about. So this one is the C part. That is, we need to find BEP is equal to. Now what is the formula of BEP? Now break even point, neither loss nor profit. The denominator is the same for MOS and BEP, that is PV. PV is the denominator. So here the middle alphabet is what? E. After E what will come? F. F means fixed cost. So here it is what? Fixed cost. But we know that whenever 2 years sales and 2 years profit is given, they will not give us fixed cost. But we know that what is that we should do? We are supposed to go with the ACT, Abhilash Chandra trick. So what exactly the trick is all about? Now we'll divide this into half. PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. This is what we know. So PV is how much? 50%. PV is how much? 50% is equal to fixed cost we don't know, plus, now understand, any year profit you take, the same year sales you are supposed to take. Now we know that this is the year we have loss, so we'll not go with the loss. So we'll go with which year? That is 2017 this sales, and 2017 profit is 1 lakh. So we'll go with this. Profit is how much here? 1 lakh. So we'll not go with the loss here, we'll go with the profit here. And the sales is how much? 10 lakh rupees. So we'll write here 10 lakh. Done. Now it's again the cross multiplication which we are supposed to go with. So this 10 lakh will come here, that will be the divided, will be the multiplication. So here 10 lakh into 50% is equal to F plus the remaining one, 1 lakh. Done. Now here 10 lakh 50% is how much? 5 lakh. So we'll write here 5 lakh. Now F, let it be here itself. 1 lakh will move here, so it is minus 1 lakh. Minus 1 lakh rupees is equal to fixed cost. F means fixed cost, FC is also fixed cost. So here we got 4 lakh. Now denote this with rupees symbol or RS. 4 lakh is equal to fixed cost. So we got the fixed cost which is worth 4 lakh rupees. Now substitute here. BEP is equal to fixed cost means how much? 4 lakh. Divided by PV is how much? 50%. How much? 50%. So here you need to calculate 4 lakh divided by 50%. So it is how much? Let's go with the calculation. 4 lakh divided by 50%. It is how much? 8 lakh rupees. So it is the double one. So we have 8 lakh rupees is your BEP. That means you need to sell 8 lakh rupees worth, only then you will have what? Neither loss nor profit. See, understand here itself. Only when we sell 8 lakh rupees sales or worth of it, only then what happens? We are in the break even. That's why 6 lakhs we have sold, right? So we are in loss. 10 lakh, it is more than 8 lakh. So we have made profit. This is what the BEP. That means that particular point, if I go with sales, I'll not have profit nor I'll have loss. So this is what my BEP sales is. I'm done with my BEP also. So APV we have done. Next we went with MOS of 2017. We cleared it. Now I have given you the homework of that MOS value. The third one we went with is BEP. Now we went with BEP. To find fixed costs, I told you people what is that we are supposed to do. That is the Abhilash Chandra tricks is what you are supposed to use. PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Next question. What is the question? D. The question is profit when sales are rupees 15 lakh. What is the question? Profit when sales are rupees 15 lakh. So what is that they're asking us? Find profit. So same for this also. What is that you are supposed to do? Go with this Abhilash Chandra tricks. That is PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. PV is how much? 50%. F is how much? 4 lakh. Plus what is the profit? We are supposed to find profit. P divided by what is the sales? They have given sales how much? 15 lakh. So we'll write here 15 lakh. So here cross multiply. When we go with the cross multiplication, how it is? 15 lakh into 50% is equal to, now the remaining whatever it is we will write it. Now this has gone here. Now the remaining is what? 4 lakh plus profit. Plus profit. So we'll substitute it. 15 lakh into 50%. That means half of it is how much? That is 7 lakh 50,000. So we'll write here 7 lakh 50,000. Now this 4 lakh which is here, it will come to the next side. So it is minus 4 lakh. Minus 4 lakh is equal to profit. So what is the profit here? We'll substitute 7 lakh 50,000 minus 4 lakh is 3 lakh 50,000. So we got how much is the profit? 3 lakh 50,000. For every 15 lakh rupees sale, the profit will be how much? 3 lakh 50,000. So we'll write here rupees 3 lakh 50,000 is equal to profit. Is equal to profit. So we have done with the next question, that is D also. So don't you feel it is all easy if you go with step by step? And I'll tell you here, students, please use your calculator. Sometimes what happens is you would have gone for a right answer, but you would have written something wrong here. So that's the reason you are supposed to always go with your calci. So we are done with D. Let's go with the next question. The next question here we have is sales required to earn a profit of rupees 6 lakh. That means what? Sales required to earn a profit of 6 lakh. How much? 6 lakh rupees. Now what is that they're asking us? They're asking us what is our sales if profit is 6 lakh rupees. Same thing. Abhilash Chandra tricks is what you are supposed to go with. The formula is what? PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. PV is how much? 50% is equal to fixed cost. We know that it is 4 lakh. Fixed cost will not change. PV will not change because nothing is changing here. Now we have plus profit. They have only given, that is how much? 6 lakh rupees is what they have given. Done. Now we need to find what? Sales. Sales, I'll put it here. Now again cross multiply. Sales will go here. PV will come down. So sales is equal to 4 lakh plus 6 lakh is 10 lakh. 10 lakh divided by 50%. Divided by 50%. Now what happens is sales is equal to how much? Sales is equal to, put this here. Now 10 lakh divided by 50%. So it is double, it is 20 lakh. So we'll go with this. Let's 10 lakh divided by 50% is 20 lakh, what I said. So here how much? We got 20 lakh rupees. So sales also we got it. Now we are left with the last question, that is about variable cost, which they have asked. Variable cost for 2017. Variable cost for 2017. How much is it? Let's solve it 2017 first. I'll even teach you how to find 2016 also. Let's go with this. So variable cost, whenever you get, please go with this formula. S minus V is equal to F plus P. What is it? S minus V is equal to F plus P. Sir, how did we arrive with this formula? Watch the session 1, 2 and 3. You will get the contribution formula. I have substituted the contribution formula here. Let me write a contribution formula for you here. Contribution is equal to S minus V. Contribution is equal to F plus P. When 1 and 2, when both are like equal, so what we can do with 1 and 2 combination, S minus V is equal to F plus P. Now understand, I'll take 2017 sales. How much is it? 10 lakh. 10 lakh minus variable cost, I don't know, I need to find it. Fixed cost is what? Same, that is 4 lakh, which we have already calculated, plus profit is how much of 2017? That is 1 lakh rupees. So I'll write here 1 lakh. Done. Now what is that we should do is, here 10 lakh will be here. Now this minus V is there, which will actually go there. Let's go with step by step, no issues. Minus V is equal to 4 plus 5 is how much? 5 lakh. Because you are getting 3 marks, so go with the steps, no issues. Now this 5 lakh will come here, that is 10 lakh minus, if it comes here, the 5 lakh will be minus 5 lakh. Now this minus V will go here, so it will become V, positive. Here from positive to here it will be negative, from negative to here it will be positive. So here what is it? Variable cost is how much? 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh is equal to variable cost. Now variable cost of what? 2017. So I'll write here variable cost 2017. So I'm done with variable cost 2017. Let's go with the variable cost of 2016. Though it is not given in the question, but if they give you, how is that you are supposed to go with? Now here variable cost, again S minus V is equal to F. Now understand, instead of F plus P, now we have something called here loss. So it is F minus loss. F minus loss. So this is what the formula which you are supposed to apply here. Sales of 2016 is how much? 6 lakh minus V, we don't know, is equal to fixed cost is same, 4 lakh. Now minus loss is how much? 1 lakh. Now you are not supposed to put minus of minus, because minus loss means this is what the loss they are asking us. So that's why it is only minus loss. So here what has happened? We'll go with 6 lakh minus V is equal to 4 lakh minus 1 lakh is 3 lakh. 3 lakh. This negative V will go here. So 6 lakh. This will come here minus 3 lakh is equal to V. So here we got 3 lakh rupees is equal to variable cost. Now this is for what? This is for 2016 variable cost. This is how you are supposed to solve. If you get a loss kind of a thing, don't get panicked. The formula will change. What is the formula? S minus V is equal to F minus L. So usually it was S minus V is equal to F plus L. Now it is what? Because loss is there, it is F minus L. This is what we are supposed to go with. Any doubt regarding this session, please do call us. We are always there to help you. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, anything, let it be students, we're gonna go for a live class where we can discuss more about these questions. Thank you so much. I'll see you when I see you.